So, what does a snowless September and October in Denver mean for the rest of the winter season? Well, let's take a look back at the previous 143 years of records. And there's only 30 examples of years where we've had a snowless September and October in Denver. So, that's less than a quarter of the time. It's not common for us to have a completely snowless September and October. Average first measurable snow date is October the 18th. Now, when we have had a snowless September and October, there's a pretty clear trend line to a below average rest of the winter season. So November, December, January, February, March, April, May, those 7 months combined after September and October, you average about 51 inches of snow on average over the whole 143-year period. But when we have a snowless September and October, that number goes down to about 47.1 inches. And 21 of the 30 years where we've had a snowless September and October, the following 7 months have had below average snowfall. So point being here, folks, if you're a Denver snow lover, you don't love to see a snowless September and October. And it's something we're seeing more and more commonly because you look back over the last couple of years. In fact, I did all the math here. I'm really fun at bars, but here we go. This is all the math I did today to kind of figure this out. But in the last 15 years, we've had 7 examples, and it'll be 8 after this year. We'll have 8 different examples of snowless Septembers and Octobers, and generally speaking, not good news for the rest of the winter season. You factor in the fact that we got a weak La Nina. I've talked about that in separate videos, where a weak La Nina plus the fact that we just haven't had much snow so far this season, not much promise of it down the road. Not a great sign for the Denver snow season. Sorry.